Hello and welcome back to Privilege Check, a podcast where two girls from different backgrounds come together to unveil the reality of modern society. I'm Loveleen.
And I'm Shivangi. I'm sorry guys, we're
I'm
just so excited because um it's September. But even more important than that, uh it's been a year since we started the podcast. Can you even imagine? Like it just went, time just went, and we have a very emo episode coming up, obviously. So this episode we're gonna make this entire month fun and all about like ourselves and uh how the journey has been and whatnot. But today we're not gonna be emo, right? So we're not gonna cry as much as we feel like crying because we've come this far and we've grown. Uh, so today we're just going to react to who we were a year ago, and yeah, I just seen the thumbnail and I'm very scared.
so yeah. I think we're going to be reacting to some of our initial episodes. And yes, through the year, we did grow from being just a podcast about privilege into like diving into like different formats where we could understand privilege through a better light. And we've been through some stuff in this previous year as well with this podcast. We got hate, we got love, and I just in this episode we're just going to look at the content because we have an other whole episode coming to dive to understand about how we've grown or the experiences we've had, but this is just the content and this is just us going to be laughing at ourselves. So I think most of you guys, your wish has come true.
Yes, we are both emotionally constipated people. So we're going to push feeling emotions till like the last week of the month. So we're just gonna have fun for like the first few weeks and then we'll probably get deep and personal about how it was.
It's also the month we're going to look the most presentable. So yeah, that's great.
Yeah, we put up effort this time. So
Furix. Shivangi, why don't you go ahead and share your screen and
okay.
walk us through what the first thing we're supposed to react to is.
Yeah, just give me a minute because this was already playing. So to start from start. Crash.
Amazing. Are you sharing your YouTube screen to unscripted one first?
Yeah,
Amazing.
okay, yeah. By the way, we'll be like so we were thinking of since it's been a year, right? So we should probably look at, the first of everything we've done on the podcast, especially content wise. So I think we'll be looking at the audio episode, first audio episode, first video episode, first privilege day, and we wanted to look at the first recast as well, but let's see if we have time.
Yeah. Essentially, through the year, we have grown from just doing privilege number one, privilege number two, and all of that. We've dived into formats of privilege take, which is where we look at which is essentially episodes that talk about movies where privilege is reflected or where privilege is represented in the right format. We do unscripted episodes where we talk about our months, we talk about new things, we share our experiences, we talk about things we've learned, and everything else under the sun. And we had recast as well. We had recast where for the episodes where we did not do justice to the topic, we would replay those episodes with more facts and with more information than we could in our initial episode. So we'll be looking at all of those three formats, and we are starting with we're starting with the unscripted um episode, the first video episode, which is unscripted number one.
Okay. And then we're probably gonna look at the audio one. So
Yeah.
okay. So I'll just start sharing. Let me know if okay, wait, I'll have to like expand this. Okay, can you see it?
Guys, have started screen sharing, but your screen is blank. Yes, now it's here. Oh my
Okay, I think
God.
yeah, I can't, I don't even know what to say right now. This is so weird. Look at how chubby we are and look at how baby we look.
Yeah, we look so
Pointing at the
baby.
screen, I forgot, but look at this dumb person.
What
Why does she have
is,
puffed her cheeks like that?
I have no idea. Look at myself.
Do I even
I,
look like the same person? Let me try. I don't.
the fact that this video is inverted is the first thing that pisses me off.
Which video?
Unscripted video, yeah. Zoom keeps inverting the video.
Yeah, I'm gonna like this episode. I can't believe I'm not like this.
Amazing. 8 likes, 52 views. Jesus. This
This
was
was so funny.
oh, wow. Wow, you commented.
Thank you
Amazing.
so much, Astha. Forgot about this.
Of course. I love how your my mix starts with Frozen.
Yeah. I know, right? It's just like,
Sorry, I
God.
just couldn't. Yeah,
Yeah,
and there's Unscripted, which is our first collab. No, that was a second collab with veg and non-veg.
yeah. That was the second and last collab we ever did.
Oh
But
yeah.
yeah. All of this is just Paralympics. My recommended because I've been watching a lot of that recently. So it's just
Mm,
that. There's nothing fun
okay.
anymore.
So yeah,
So
thumbnail, I
what is
mean,
I
zero
don't wanna I don't
context,
wanna start.
zero context, zero subtitle in this.
Oh yeah, there's no subtitle.
Yeah. And
Oh my god.
why is my hair like that? What was I thinking?
You were so confident about this hairdo, I remember. Just like, let me just, I remember you didn't even come like this. I remember your hair was just middle parted or whatever the part you have normally. And you just came and you were like, let me just do it like this. So, it looks like I look more presentable. And I was like, okay, cool. Do whatever you want, girl.
Why did you like not save me from the humiliation?
Because you're too confident in being yourself. How do I tell
True.
you that?
I would probably not listen to you. I'd just see, I'm telling you, this actually looks good. The thing that it's inverted, I have a particular angle.
Yeah, that's why it looks weird.
Yeah. So I should have been warned, and I feel very betrayed right now.
And
Um,
it looks so childish here for some stupid reason.
yeah, we look babies. We look like actual babies here.
We look like worse than we looked like when we were in our F5s, I would say.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think this is worse for some reason.
Oh my God. I have no idea why. It's zero like
Okay, before we
lighting
start,
वगैरह नहीं सोचा है बस.
yeah, the lighting is so bad. Look at our lighting right now. We
Yeah.
glow right now. Like it's a tube light that's
Yeah.
making me glow. We're glowing at least, right?
Yeah.
But
We just did this.
I'm just
Because
gonna play.
also
Oh,
like
we have to
because we've always been zero motivated for YouTube.
yeah. I remember. Oh, you guys know. Oh my god. So I remember, Lafleen, when we started this podcast. Do you remember? A lot of people told us make video episodes. It would be really great for your podcast and whatnot. And we were hell bent on like not making. You were like, we're not going to show our face at all.
Yeah.
We're not going to do that. कुछ नहीं हुआ. We started like I think I like unscripted episodes more than I like privileged episodes. For some
Yeah.
reason.
I think I would like unscripted episodes even if we didn't have our videos on. I just like the content of the episode. But
Yeah,
I
but like it's
still
also
don't like showing my
yeah.
face. Like I don't think I still like
I've
doing
become too
YouTube.
comfortable on YouTube. Like I just sit however I want. Like I remember
Yeah.
in one episode I had a Fatawa tracks I was wearing and I forgot. I didn't even realize that this is gonna go on YouTube. I was just sitting like
Yeah.
that. I got too comfortable.
Okay. Let's go ahead.
So I'm gonna
Play.
start before you start crying. So yeah. Let me know if you can't hear it or whatever.
I have to play it for that. Start with an eye roll, of course. I can't hear it.
Okay. Let me see what to do about it.
Hello and welcome back to Privilege Check, a podcast where two girls from different backgrounds come together to unveil the realities of modern society. I'm Loveleen.
And I'm Shivangi. Through this podcast, I want to reach out to the privileged. Through this podcast, I want to reach out to the privileged. You're on mute, by the way. I can't hear anything.
I was just laughing your face.
But now
Volume.
we are clearing our throats. In our first video episode, we are clearing our throats.
I started with an eye roll. How? For two people who look
you
like
are
they.
because you
Please play.
already know you are because you have access to this podcast.
And teach them the 101s of how to not be a privileged prick.
In this episode, we don't know what we're going.
It's killing Lovely to say her lines. She's like, oh my god, I want to die.
Feel like I forgot what I had to say. I was like, I don't know what we're doing in this episode.
She's just like, oh my god.
to talk.
Quite
We
literally.
have no idea. We're going to talk.
What
I
is this
smile
smile
so
thing that you're
much.
doing? Yeah.
About us. We're going to talk about things that you wanted to hear, that you've responded to, things that you liked. We're going to talk about all of that.
You're not lagging
And
at
I-
all, by the way. I hope you're very glad to hear that. You're not lagging at all.
How Shivani gave one sense of humor right there.
Great. So,
You're
I,
lagging a lot.
of course, it's your internet time.
This is the running gag since day one. It's your intent.
Yeah, I didn't realize I've been saying this since day one. Wow.
Yeah.
What? Shivangi tries to get her parents to stay quiet while Loveleen has the worst confrontation of literally what were you on while editing this episode?
I put a lot of efforts into editing this.
Wow, one eternity later.
Can't stop laughing at your mom asking me for your pen.
Oh,
That's the worst
that's the
confrontation I've had
confrontation.
in 19 years of
Mom
living.
does that with every friend that I have. Like, she's just straight up asking, best friend हो रहा तुम इसकी, like random people in school. She'd be like, ये तुम्हारी दोस्त है ना? And I'm
I
like,
look
no.
so cute,
I don't
man.
know.
Wow.
She'll bond with
horrible.
aunties and then she'll try to like set her child with me up. I don't know why. Wait, where was
I think all the friends you have is because of your mom.
Okay, no, you are the only exception.
Okay.
Great.
Huh.
Now where was
I think this was the time we didn't have the tables.
Yeah, we didn't have tables.
Yeah.
I think
So
we
the
started
laptop so
the
shaky.
table pretty late. Yeah.
I'm like so zoomed in into the. It's like this.
Lovely.
this
We didn't know
close.
HD videos existed back then. So if you like turn off HD right now, this is how we're going to look as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, so it's just going to be us having conversations, no scripts at all, just us talking about things we've
Yes,
missed in the
Shivangi,
You've
previous
said
episode.
that 3 times now. I said uske aage bhi. You don't want a script, we don't have a script.
It's only
आगे बढ़ना है.
आगे का बढ़ूं? Okay, so
Yeah,
listeners.
we don't know what to talk about anymore. Yeah, let's just start with talking about
What
how
were we thinking? We had zero idea what to say, and we've started recording. How were we like this?
The irony of me getting disturbed the same time that Lavleen and Shivangi in Unscripted One were getting disturbed.
That's exactly what I was saying. I was like, जो भी हो, interruptions रहेंगे. Cool.
Yeah.
Like, I think
Yeah.
I want you to fast forward this
You
to
thought
some
privilege.
place where making sense.
Let me see where we look like we're concentrating a lot. Oh yeah, look, you look very proud of what you're saying here. So let me see what's up.
I'm so sure it's something Chomo. I'm so sure.
But मैं तो लड़की हूँ, तुम मुझे नहीं मान
हाँ,
सकते, or something like that sort.
yeah.
We've all
We've
done that.
all
We've
used
used our
girl card.
education.
Arey, I've
I
used
come
girl
from an
card
English
every
medium
time.
school.
Like
Why
I
are we
used
talking over
every
each
time I
other
would take
so
the
much? We just keep
Yeah,
talking.
I don't think we do
Generally.
that as much as we used to do that like before.
Yeah.
It was very bad at the first. Like we used to talk over each other a lot. The entire collab we had, we spoke over each other a lot.
Yeah.
General compartment in local trains. I would use the girl card if I was having a bad day. I was like, मैं लड़की हूँ, let me move ahead.
Traveling in the bus
Yeah.
and all of that, and I think all of this just adds up. And when somebody does not give you a lady seat,
Yeah.
you're going to be like, मैं लड़की हूँ, तुम्हें नहीं पता मैं किस चीजों से
Why was I so mad about all of
जा
this?
रही हूँ,
I
तुम्हें
was
कुछ
so
नहीं पता,
mad.
मुझे सीट चाहिए.
I'm so much
Exactly.
into
If
the
we didn't have
camera.
ladies compartment, if we didn't. Yeah, and that's the thing that pisses me off. You're so zoomed in. Why?
I have no idea.
Have like ladies allotted seats.
And we're so invested in our hair. We're both so invested in our hair.
In buses, we would go through what we went through when we were coming back from like
Like if we played a game of
exhibition
take a
at
shot every
Mahalakshmi,
time
and we had to
Shivangi
take.
or Loveleen touches their hair.
Yeah. You were so obsessed with our hair. Okay, here I look very I'm screaming here for some reason.
Yeah, chalo, let's see why yours.
You know, I'm smiling for some. What?
Definitely. So this guy, he's just sleeping on
Loveleen,
the.
do you
if
even
you
remember
travel
the
by a local
outfit he
train,
wore?
Oh,
I even remember
our experience with sexual assault at Mumbai police. Don't want to hear that. Let's move
Yeah,
ahead.
let's. Okay, go
Yeah, I
behind.
look
Yeah, the one where you're doing this. Yes.
very prevalent, and it has a lot of
pretty sure it's my hair.
indicators in men's personality. That is something we obviously could have talked about, but we just thought that it's something people already like. We would just mention in this topic because it's a vast thing to cover. We
Yeah.
just briefly talk about
and also people don't listen to long podcasts.
yeah. But this is video now. Video content sells.
Yeah.
Somebody told us.
Oh my god, we used to like roast people left and right.
And center.
Yeah, quite literally center. We're so on point about it.
Bro, we had like zero filter, man.
Yeah, no wonder we have like 7 views or whatever on a podcast.
52 views.
Makes zero sense by anybody. Okay, in this episode,
Yeah, I think people watched our
I've
first
gone away
episode
from
and
that.
then they were like, hey, ये नहीं होने वाला हमसे.
Turn the
It's
pankha
not,
off,
it's
kya?
sunset.
I turn some other pankha on then.
Why is this in the edited version? What is Loveleen doing?
Why?
Go on.
Your hair is so much more cooperative right now than it was then.
Yeah, it is. I'm so glad.
Yeah. Yeah, so what I wanted to talk
I can't get over how both of us are obsessed with how we look.
about how men are given the like it's an unsaid responsibility of taking care of their family
The number
and
of
taking
times
care
we
of their
touch our hair
siblings
is
and all of that,
unreal.
and how even if they have a they're supposed to take
Oh, go
care
back,
of
go
it,
back, go back.
like
What's
actually
the
In the middle of a pandemic.
Um,
That's also something that really puts men
Yeah.
under an unfair pedestal or whatever.
Yeah, just give me 1 minute. I'm just going to
so
This is
funny?
What
So funny.
drugs were you on? What drugs were you on, right?
Coffee.
Literally, who TikTok? My God, who really? I can't believe it.
Exactly, like even in my house, like my father gets our groceries and all of that. So I'm
Sorry, I don't know why that was so funny.
pehle se it was accepted that that's what like the men of the house are supposed to do. Even in my house, like my neighbors and all of that, it was very much accepted that, and we used to always talk about how the men are staying at home.
Please move ahead.
It wasn't a shock that the women were staying at home, but the men staying at home was a shock to us.
Why
Okay,
do we
stop.
have a
something-
phone all of a sudden?
What?
I'll just क्या हुआ?
Oh, I thought you were saying something.
No. Call CBI right now. Oh, I'm calling CBI. Okay,
CBI, okay.
so
You cracks. I was trying to wonder what you said.
Of course, we don't
There
get
is
each
one-
other's jokes. Of course.
the dumbest thing, yeah. I can't believe this was a whole thing we did.
We had a whole thing of I'm going to call Modi.
Oh, again, you have written something here.
Yep.
Lovely's Gunda,
Okay.
Gunda came out.
Yeah. So
What is that laugh?
I don't understand. There's so much sound here. Anyway,
I love how everything you have said a year ago cracks only you up. Like you are the only one who's having like a great time reading.
I'm
everything
my
you've
own
written.
audience.
Yeah, you're your own
मेरा अलग
cheerleader.
stand up comedy चल रहा था.
Yeah.
They said like personalize
taught
होना
science
चाहिए.
and
And I was like,
maths
"वो
and-
personalize करेंगे?"
God, and you literally, I can't believe you can like tell we enjoyed doing whatever we did, right? I don't think that like comes out in our videos anymore because we just don't enjoy it.
Yeah.
I mean, that's not true. I mean, it's just like a lot that's happening. So we enjoy the part of like creating it, but not really producing it. Like
Yeah.
kind of like
I think
habit.
if we
Why
had to post,
chashmas on?
I think if we posted raw videos, right, I think we'd enjoy it much more. I think it's the editing that kills us.
Yeah. That's what I mean. Like I just feel like editing is just become this kind of habit we have to do and not like we want to do. So like I think
Like
that's why
here, we had ample amount of time also to like edit it, and I'll put like
Yeah,
some
yeah.
random jokes in.
Arey Baba, do you remember we used to like we took like 3-4 takes of an episode, I remember, because we switched recording platforms.
Yeah.
We finally went to Zoom.
Oh, go back. I'm rolling my eyes again. Yes.
Okay, here you are. Religion, obviously, that refers.
yeah.
We just end this with the ambulance ka आवाज.
Yeah, I mean, very conveniently just give your location away to people. Yeah.
So I think, so I guess we'll just end this, and I hope that our listeners liked our unedited, unfiltered content.
Right.
So, Shivangi, let's just end by thanking our listeners.
Great. Thank you for listening to Privilege Check podcast. If you like this episode,
Look at me reading it from the phone because I didn't have this memorized by then.
Look at you do this every time you have to speak.
Yeah, what is up with this Shwangi? What is going on?
Why
also,
am I
we don't look
smiling
like
so
F-
much.
Yeah, and we don't look like SYs. We look like we're in 9th or
JC.
10th grade or something like that. Yeah.
please leave a review on Apple Podcasts or by personally messaging us on Instagram.
Oh, my hair has finally settled.
Yeah,
Uh,
your hair looks much better right now.
Don't forget to follow us there. That is at Privilege Check. That's PRIVILEGECHK. And here's to an enlightened life.
Okay.
Shivangi, let's do this thingy so that we end with that.
Should be a thumbnail.
Oh my god, is there anything here or not? Okay, oh my god, this video is going on, but there's nothing here.
That's so funny.
But I got so scared. But wow,
Wow.
can't believe this is the whole thing we did. God, this is like so pretty. I just can't even.
Yeah.
Even
It's one of
this,
our
I
great episodes as well. Ali's Wedding is a good movie to watch, and our episode is splendid too.
no, I don't want to watch it.
Okay, let's go to Khali Pili.
या इसको पीछे करना पड़ेगा यार.
हाँ, कर
तो
ले.
आज गई मैं कि बीच बीच का. Oh God. Wow, we started this.
Hello and welcome back to Privilege Check, a podcast where two girls from different backgrounds come together to unveil the reality of
I
I love how
Our
I have started
analysis.
introducing it and you're looking peeche.
What?
I said I really like how I've started introducing it. I started with everything and you're still looking peeche. Like कुछ तो चल रहा है बस. Called initially Beyonce Sharma जाएगी. And later, after receiving a lot of backlash,
बीच में तुम चली गई हो? Oh my God, तुम बीच में चली गई हो?
Shivangi, please go ahead now that I'm back. Let's go ahead with what we were discussing. What do you have to say about this entire name change?
Oh my God, this is a part where our things sync now.
Huh? Shivangi, that I feel like this is a trend that I have noticed that whatever is trending 2 years ago, Bollywood will use that 2 saal purana trend in 2 years, like 2 years later. That is
I like because you know, बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं.
Yeah.
Having and that's exactly what you're talking about. So yeah.
I love how I'm funny only to me. Like I laugh at everything I say.
Yeah. You're just like, oh my God, Lavleen, you're giving your best right now. You're just like,
I'm my
I feel like
biggest
in this
hyper.
channel, yeah, you are your own cheerleader. You don't
Yes.
need any other cheerleader. Just like Lavleen is amazing. मैं जानती हूँ बस.
It's literally noticing the sweater and everything. I only look at myself, yaar. I'm only looking at
Same
myself.
here. I only look at myself and I'm very happy with the way I look here. I look so good right in that.
Each other like तुम African हो ना, तुम African होगा, and the amount and the thing was the problem wasn't even with that. The problem was that students started believing that being African, being darker skin toned was bad.
Don't you miss the times we were intellectual?
Yeah.
Kind of miss it now.
When there's light on your face, you seem to be fairer. You seem to be a
All these
lighter skin
anecdotes
tone.
I shared
And because
about
there wasn't light,
all these anecdotes about like being dark skinned.
Do we have 0 comments? Okay, we have 1 comment. Ahmed Ali, if you're still listening, thank you so much.
Yeah, I think we've mentioned Ahmed Ali in a previous episode as well. But yeah,
Ahmed Ali
thanks. You
deserves to
kept
be
us going.
mentioned
You
and-
genuinely did keep us going.
Yeah.
We have a lot of conspiracy theories about Ahmed Ali, but
Yeah,
we'll
I'm
get-
pretty sure it's somebody who's like made an account just to troll me, but
Shivangi feels like the entire world is out to get her. Everybody hates her, and
the
they're going to
entire
go to
world revolves
extent
around me.
to show
Okay.
that hate.
It does revolve around me. Everything happens for me.
इधर मैं बस खुद को देखती हूँ, तुमको लगता
between
है बस तुम ही हो. Self-absorbed people.
Obviously, can't believe we're self-absorbed people making a podcast where we're not talking
About ourselves. Imagine if we had a podcast where we only spoke about ourselves.
Bro, that would be like a therapy session. Like it would
Yeah.
just be us like yelling at each other
Yeah.
about our life.
Yeah, and playing games.
Yeah,
And
like not even talking. We'll just be yelling at each other
yeah,
about two different topics
yeah,
altogether.
two different, like we're not even solving or listening to each other. We're
Yeah.
talking just for it. We're just talking. अलग चीज है. But also, I think then we'd like produce an episode every single day or every 2 days.
Yeah. Also, we wouldn't edit it or whatever. We would have no
Yeah.
problem like promoting it as well. Because everybody loves a mentally ill, depressed person.
Yeah.
Spoke about this in 21st Century on episode. Everybody loves.
Double standards. Okay.
I really love my talk so much, man. I just got the
Same, I
lighting
love
is
my
also
outfit. I love my outfit.
That's phenomenal. This episode I really pulled through with the outfit.
Screen time too. Like my hair is also almost
Like,
stable.
yeah,
Nepotism.
now even right now, but even in this, I think you stopped wearing your glasses. That's why you don't look the same anymore.
Huh?
Yeah, you wore glasses for quite a while, but I don't think you've
Yeah.
worn it like recently. So, oh, didn't you wear it yesterday? I forgot.
I wear my glasses like almost all the time. But okay.
I don't know why I don't remember it.
You don't see him in class anymore. That's why. The story.
Yeah.
I mean, you went to a Christian school, so I'm assuming
Oh,
there was
I
this
mean, they
David
tried
and
to convert
Goliath.
me without like giving me backstory of the entire characters. So like
Shivani
it's
school
not
just made her sing songs.
What the hell happened? Like the audio is different and the video is
Yeah.
different, right?
Yeah.
The hell? What the hell happened?
It's your internet.
I don't. This happens so often with my YouTube. I don't get it. I don't know why they do this.
pseudo feminism.
Yeah.
Shut up.
I think like feminism को मतलब लेकर बहुत जबरदस्ती घुसाया गया है
I
इस
feel
movie
like I'm
में.
listening to a baby talk, and I know it's so dumb because you're both adults here. But I
Yeah.
feel like I'm listening to a baby talk about their
Yeah.
opinion for some stupid reason.
Yeah. Bro, our views dropped from like 52 to
Anji, it's
14 year.
Yeah. That's why I liked it. I can't believe you're not like. Also, but there's still 4 people that are like our episode. I want to know who they are. I know one of them is obviously going to be
Yeah.
the person who likes all our Facebook posts.
Okay.
Was there something here? I think he stopped putting those one eternity later and all that thing.
I did that only for the first episode. I
You
haven't
did that
done.
for the collab episode as well.
Oh yeah, I did that for the first collab episode as well. I stopped after that.
it's just so stupid how they keep like romanticizing this entire experience that these people live. It's just
Yeah.
so dumb. He could have been anybody. I just don't understand why Taxi Driver. It's just so uncomfortable to watch. It just
I think
There's
this was
not
like a
much here.
comparatively enriching episode.
Oh wow. What do we have as our ending thing? Let me see. Pretty cool.
Like you have.
thank you for listening.
But just not for like 5 seconds straight.
Listening to Privilege Check podcast. If you like this episode, then please leave a review on Apple Podcasts or by personally messaging us on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn.
To follow us there, that is at Privilege Check. That's PRIVILEGECHK. Here's to an enlightened life.
Okay, we only have half an.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe that was there.
Hmm. Is there sound or is there no sound?
No, there's no sound.
Are you kidding me?
Oh god.
Amazing. Amazing work.
Now on to a scarier thing, which is listening to our first episode. And by the way, like if people don't know, wait, what the hell is happening? I want Spotify player, you ass idiot. Oh wait, I'll just, you know what? Forget it. I'll stop sharing here. I'll open Spotify and share.
Yeah, I was like, why is she doing this? Oh, eeks.
Spotify web player has a very great interface. So, but what I was saying was that I remember the first episode. We guys literally we had like sent forms to everybody we knew in our class and like whatever, and we had asked for the feedback, like specific feedback about the episode. And I remember we had got a lot of shit about our sound and whatnot, but
Yeah,
it
like
was
everybody,
so
like
much.
nobody ever spoke about the content. They were all just like, this sound is super not nice and sound, and it's like, oh my god.
Yeah, it was very very.
But we were
Everybody,
very meticulous about it as well, because we had an whole Excel sheet where we broke down the feedback we received and incorporated it, because we thought
can you
that
see
yeah,
Oh, I'm sorry.
because back then we thought that, hey, if we incorporate every feedback we get, and if we actually serve what people like, then we'd get views. But we were wrong. We have established ourselves as two people who nobody likes, and that's going to hamper our podcasting career.
Yeah,
I
and
love how
it's
the
like
last
we
thing
didn't.
you were listening to was Dangerous Woman.
Oh, is that it? I can't even see this. What the hell? Because of
Yeah,
this
it's playing.
because of this anchor that you are screen sharing wala crap that they have, I couldn't see it. Oh wow, I was listening to Dangerous Woman. But like also the thing is that we didn't even take all the criticism very nicely. What we did was we made like episode after episodes where we just kept bashing everybody who said our sound was bad. We weren't like,
Yeah,
yeah, I
because
understand.
yeah,
Like,
Shivangi, but like every other feedback that we received, the only criticism was one was definitely the sound, which we understood where they came from, but like we felt like that's like a really petty thing, and I think I stand by my words on saying like that's a really petty thing to not support great content. And the other one was to be a little more friendly, but
yeah,
that wasn't like that did not align with the motive or the, I don't know, or the like ideology of the podcast, so we didn't really care about it, but
yeah,
we did incorporate it into our unscripted episodes. So yeah, we did what we could. I love how I'm like shamelessly saying like I don't care about any of you at this point.
yeah. I think I stopped caring about feedback and like I mean like what other people think. I think this has just become like our
Hmm.
own ranting session in some sort of
I
way.
I don't think it's even a rant. I think we've just become more clear of our ideology or of what is the motive of the podcast. I think we've become more clear about what we want to produce. And we do that.
Uh,
We do what makes us happy. We produce what we've always wanted to. So I think that works for me. I'm like unapologetic about it.
yeah, I think
Like,
we've just grown into like we've understood who we are
yeah,
really as a podcast
absolutely.
creator. I think that's just what's really helped because we finally I think that's the thing, right? We weren't sure of like the identity thing when we started Privilege Chat. We
Hmm,
weren't sure like how far we could pull this through because the first few
absolutely.
months we just did privilege episodes, privilege
Yeah.
episodes. But then we like diversified and everything because we started understanding what do we like really want from our audience and what do we
Hmm,
really want with this podcast. So I think that's really helped.
yeah. We
Okay,
didn't
this is
even
gonna
have
start.
like a voice. We didn't have a voice of
Yeah.
what we thought we wanted to say. But
We were too busy like fretting over why we're not growing and whatnot. And I just
absolutely.
think we don't care about it anymore. We don't even
Yeah,
care about like a social media presence and whatnot because we're
we
1 month behind on promotion.
yeah, we had like a to-do list of things, and we wanted to follow it, and we just wanted to grow. We wanted to be um we wanted to be a podcast. We actually, and we genuinely do care about our listeners, and we do care about the ideology that we've been talking about since day one. But I think we've grown into understanding where we can stop just thinking about the ideology and actually putting it into practice as well. I think that's what we've learned.
Yeah, definitely. I think uh it just become really easy for us to now just like I remember okay, so since we saw the unscripted episode, right? I remember we were very iffy with the idea of talking without a script. We had become so comfortable with the idea of like us having a script, so we would know what to talk about. But a year later, we hate scripts. In fact, and we'll talk about this later in the episode. But we just hate scripts a lot, and I like unscripted and I like privilege take way more than I like privilege episodes. So I think we've really like kind of grown when it comes to all of these things. So, yeah.
Agreed, absolutely. Let's like go and listen to the
Yeah, this
episode.
is gonna start in the middle because I was listening to this because somebody had told me they really like this episode.
A lot of people told us they really like this episode.
Yeah, I don't know why, I don't know how. Because I think we have a very scripted year.
We were
But hold
very
on, I have to pause it. And let me wait. Can you am I sharing sound? Just give me one second.
yes, I can hear.
Okay, cool. I'm sorry, mama. Okay, privilege number one, cast. Let's go.
Hello and welcome to Privilege Check, a podcast where two girls from different backgrounds come together to unveil the reality of
This is such poor editing. Why is the like intro track starting so late after Loveleen has already said hello? Oh wait, but it sounds much better, I think. Or does it sound better? I don't know.
I don't know what it sounds like. I just feel I'm
society.
so
I am
chirpy
lovely.
here. I'm so chirpy.
Bro, look at the voice
unnecessary.
quality. What they used Soundtrap for no?
Yeah.
Remember? Yeah.
And I'm Shivangi. Through this podcast, we want to reach out to the privileged, teach them the 101s of
I
how to
sound like a reporter.
Bro,
That's what I sound like.
bro, the beats are like not matching to your tempo. The tempo of your voice and the tempo of the beats is so different at this point.
Yeah.
not be a privileged prick.
You already know you are because
Get out! Get out! Oh my god!
Why did I speak like that?
I don't know. Why do you sound like that?
You
I'm
already know
scared
you
to
are.
say it.
I
I'm
sound like a
really
game show host.
You sound like Oberoi में जो fun zone होता है ना उधर जो बैठे रहते हैं लोग. You sound like them.
Okay, that's really sad.
I can't believe you. I remember thinking Loveleen is so chirpy. What the hell happened? What the hell happened to the girl who hates everybody? Like, why is that not seeping into her voice right now? You're a whole different personality.
I am.
have access to this podcast. In this episode, we check a privilege that does
I
not stem
remember
out
you
of
saying
religions, but is practiced under its.
I
But
remember
Loveleen,
in
don't
the
you
initial
love this voice quality for some reason?
what?
Don't you like this voice quality? I
do.
like it.
Yeah.
A topic that seems to be acknowledged and empathized with, but isn't. Privilege number one, caste.
I sound so much like a reporter.
I just
It's insane. What happened to that timber?
remembered what I had to say. I remember having this whole
Yes.
conversation, how you sound, how you appease to like the reporter or like, the structured segment of our target audience. And I appease to like the more fun segment of our target audience. And I remember you kept telling me how I sounded so Malayali in this, the way I said podcast.
Not Malayali. I said you just sound so South Indian. I don't think I have the knowledge to be that specific. I would just say South Indian.
Yeah. It's like you sound so the way I say podcast.
A lot of the times, even when I'm editing, a lot of the things, even right now, it seems like you sound completely South Indian.
Which makes sense because, well,
of course, it makes sense.
Okay, moving on. Just like a whole 3-second gap.
On August 31st, Kangana Ranaut claimed that a modern India knows better than to
love the
indulge in
quality.
caste
I
discrimination.
love it. I love the grainy texture it has to it. Like I know there are a lot of background noises and whatnot, but I feel Zoom's quality still is awesome.
Yeah, I think our voices were better, but there was a lot of background noise that got seeped into it as well.
Yeah.
Despite like that time, we used to like make sure that there was like no noise, or like we actually made
Yeah,
sure
I
of all of
sit
that.
without my pankha on,
Yeah,
like sweating and
yeah.
On her Twitter handle. In her eyes, India is not as brutal, orthodox, and sadistic as some people glorify for their political gains. But has India really managed to overcome these social barriers and provide an inclusive environment where individuals can flourish to their maximum capacity?
Let's begin by acknowledging what
Oh my
caste
god!
really
Oh
is.
my god!
Caste defines
it sounds
multiple
so
parts
much
of
like
an individual's
Quint. I
life.
love it. I love how I had the Quint podcast as a reference.
Yeah.
And it completely worked. It's
Bro,
exactly the way I
Shivangi, why did we stop this? I love
because
this.
we got a lot of hate about this. I know, I love it. We sound so good. And we sound like a news bulletin. Like if my employers heard this, I would get employed.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even need like a CV or whatever.
Like I think I thought that I would cringe to my own voice, but I'm not. I'm very proud of it. I'm very proud of my first episode.
Very, very, yeah, we sound airway with Bharti. That's what we sound like, right?
Yeah.
It's very good.
Even in modern India.
Which clearly is in the same country for the illusion privileged as it is for the lower caste.
Although a lot of them like to claim caste is irrelevant in modern society, manual scavengers stand living proof that caste exists and is actively damaging the lives of millions.
Do you
Caste still
remember
determines
how
who you
we
rent your
recorded
house
this?
to and
And why my voice sounds so clear? Because I used to use earphones back then. But because I have vertigo, I couldn't put it in my ear. So I would like mute and unmute, and Navleen would like keyboard smash in the chat box of the recording platform we were using to tell me when it's my turn to go. Like, it's just insane to me that I put so much effort into this and then I just gave up. Like,
caste still determines which school you go to. And these are not anecdotes of people living in villages. This is the reality of the urban and modern India.
The privileged
have escaped systematic religious malpractices through conversion, but haven't escaped discrimination. In January 2020, the National Council of Dalit Christians filed a writ petition pleading to make caste-based reservations religion neutral. To sum up the plea, it asks for the availability of legal remedy or protection under Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989, amended in the year 2018 for Christians of Scheduled Caste origin.
Why do you think Christianity hasn't been included in the Act? It is a general assumption that Christianity is void of discrimination. This hypothesis was proven correct with students from
I cannot even vouch for that in our recent episode.
Yeah, like I think we spoke very well. We spoke in a very formal way, and like we enunciated very well. But I think I hear a lot of like background noise.
Yeah.
Which you possibly won't in these episodes. But I heard like a lot of background noise. But like I don't mind. I sound good. Our content is great.
Yeah.
Like I sound like a professional here.
Yeah, it's very good.
gods, or B, because they dwell in unimaginable poverty and their daughters are the only source of income. These castes are so downtrodden that it is a common phenomenon for the family to wait outside the single-room house while the young girls giving sexual pleasure to men, penetrated at the age of 8 or 9 and discarded by the time they reach 30, with more mouths to feed than they can afford. The Udasis and the variants in other states are
Glorious
arguably one of the
sentence.
biggest contributors to the spread of
Fragmentation.
HIV. These women are
Glorious.
forced to
Can't believe we were so good.
As a Dalit, have you ever faced discrimination? C caste.
Rapid
You
fire,
privileged
rapid fire.
dimwits.
We had a rapid fire, I remember.
Bro, our entire episode was so structured.
Will
Chef's kiss.
No wonder this one person I sent the podcast to told me they loved casts and they wish we did more episodes like that.
Yeah. I just feel like we pitched our podcast to the wrong target audience, aka our class.
Yeah.
We
should
had
have,
to
like,
pitch it to people with brain
established
cells.
We should have established ourselves on like Twitter more than we did on like Instagram. I think. That's where the intellectual crowd is.
Yeah.
to give you a good witty answer to each of those.
That sounds crazy.
Oh, anyway, so I'm sure these are statements that all you privileged dimwits have made. And if you have normalized any of the following events, then yes, congratulations. You are privileged and ignorant. What an achievement.
What an achievement.
What? We said it together.
Let's.
Anyway.
This is true soulmate
Yes.
culture.
Okay. Let's get into it. Shivangi, are you ready?
Yes. Are you ready with your witty replies?
Yes. Yes. In
Great.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yuvraj Singh using a caste slur directed towards Yuzvendra Chahal and justifying it by saying that it was in a good child.
Are jibes ever good?
Nice. Second, I don't see caste.
That's because you aren't looking outside your bubble.
Ooh.
Your sound effects are much better than a soundtrack could ever be.
As a Dalit, have you ever faced discrimination?
As an upper caste, have you ever had to think twice?
But you don't look like or talk like a.
I didn't know there was a mole for caste.
Okay, now fifth one is a personal favorite we've all been hearing for years. It's remove Arakshan. Make reservations on the basis of financial situation. Reservation is being misused.
Okay, and this is something that I have always been using to these statements. Aren't you misusing your privilege by ignoring the needs of the discriminated as well?
Nice one. Shut them up real good. Okay, sixth one. What does this caste mean?
Something you won't ever understand because you come from a place of privilege.
Okay, this one is also.
Roll. Wow.
The efforts you put into this, the efforts.
I remember I couldn't find the drum roll snare for like the longest time and I'd almost given up. And then I was like, wait, let's put it. Insane.
Oh my god, a personal favorite. I've been hearing this for like the 1 year that I've been traveling to Sobo for college, and this is something I've always heard. Is this even happening now? Does any child do the work as a father?
Okay, this is going to. Yes. Who do you think is cleaning your sewers? Huh? The son or daughter when the parent dies, no? Yeah. Go on.
Okay, I'm running out of it. I think I only have one left. This is like off the top of my head. Oh yeah, another favorite. No caste. Say that you're Indian. Why do you have to include caste everywhere?
I wish we will stop when people stop discriminating.
Damn, that was a good witty reply.
Thank you.
Replies. Damn. I think I'm out of it. I'm sorry, Raveen. I couldn't make your month, year, decade life.
It's all right. Those 8 statements made my week. Like, yeah. So,
Yeah.
anyway, Shivangi, you
So I
did
think
well. You did great.
yeah.
We should move on.
I told you.
Yeah, we
Game
should
show
move on.
host.
Therefore, to everyone who's living in the tiny
What?
I told you I sound like a game show host.
It's not even that, bro. We're both so socially awkward.
Yeah.
We're just like, let's move on.
Yeah.
And we're like, so funny. We're both like, you did good. It's like, you also did good.
We're like, what is the normal thing to say at this time? Let's say
Funny.
that.
Oh my god. It's so funny to hear this. Wow.
bubble of caste privilege, I'd like to pop it by quoting advocates Franklin Caesar Thomas and S. Gautaman. Change in religion does not change social exclusion.
Adding to it, social exclusion is a human contact and only humans can mend it. If being able to voice your opinion without someone stifling your voice simply due to your caste is a fact of life for you, then you are privileged. And we hope you use it to uplift those who aren't.
Let's stop thinking caste is a bad word.
But continue to understand that it exists.
Thank you for listening to Privilege Check podcast.
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Privilege Check, that is PRIVI.
Bro, this is such a superior episode, I feel.
I want to
Like
listen
the
to the outro. Play the outro.
LEGECHK to get snippets of the episode. Here's to an enlightened life.
Oh, I don't think our episode has ever sounded this great.
Yeah.
Like ever. This is like everything we ever wanted in the episode ever. It's just so good.
Yeah, because also like our first episode was like without any influence. We produced what we wanted to produce. After which we started caring too much.
Everything about it is perfect. We have a structure, first of all. Second of all, we have like facts.
Yeah.
Third of all, we have like very good voice fading and whatnot. And we like really doubled it up with the humor and also the part about like facts. Like it wasn't a boring episode. We made it fun by having a rapid fire round. Can't believe we don't do that anymore.
Yeah. So I was just saying that I genuinely miss like being intellectual. I feel like we were in a natural habitat, that we cared about what we were doing and we knew what we were doing. I miss that. I miss not selling myself for.
I just miss feeling proud of myself. Like if I look at episodes like Mimmi or whatever, I'm not going to feel proud of myself.
Yeah. Like
I did that for Mimmi.
it doesn't feel like it's intellectual. It doesn't feel like we're saying something smart.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like we have a purpose with us anymore.
Yeah.
That's what it feels.
You're lagging again.
How am I now?
Better.
Okay. But you know, I mean, I'm really not proud of who we've become, and it's so weird. I didn't expect to feel like this because we had an important announcement to make today about the kind of structure we have for our episode and like the month for privilege check and whatnot. And I don't think we can like it's difficult to do because I'm attached to who we were before. But lately, Levine and I have been feeling that we've kind of exhausted talking about the privilege hashtag episodes, like privilege number blah 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 episodes, where we have like a script and we just give out facts and add a dose of humor and whatnot. Like I love it, and I understand that we did great at a time, but we just don't think like there's anything left for us to make an episode about, and we don't feel like pushing ourselves to make these episodes. because we're grumpy the entire time just filming things like this. And it's just not good because the podcast is genuinely a great break, not even it's just a great time for us to vibe together. Like it's like a hangout thing, but it's not like we get like episodes out of it. So it's a super cool time for us, and for us to be like mad about something we love so much, it just didn't sit well with us. We were like, let's just stop doing what we don't feel like doing because we have too much on our plate and life's too short to like push things out just because we made a commitment. So what we're thinking of right now, and this is what we have in plan. Do you want to introduce the plan, Navleen?
Yeah. So you asked about the plan, Shivangi. We will essentially be looking at a collaboration in week 1. We'll be looking at a privilege take episode between weeks 2 and 3. And in the last week or the 4th week of the month, we'll be looking at an unscripted episode. In our collaboration, we will be working with fellow podcasters to understand privilege. We would be looking at more realms of podcasting, of how podcasting works, how it happens, what goes into it, what has been the experience of all these people who will give us an expert opinion on the subjects we want to dive into. And after that, when we're looking at the privilege take, of course, we will follow the format where we view a movie and we come back with our opinion about it. And it's not just a movie review, it's how privilege is playing out and how media affects the role. How media essentially plays a role into the building of the human mind. And after that, which is the unscripted episode, we will be again following the same format where we look at the previous month and we share our learnings.
Yeah.
That's it.
So I hope our listeners are not like very disappointed by this, but it is what it is, and this is what really makes us happy. So that was a part of ourselves that we were exhausted for the podcast, and we just don't feel like forcing it anymore. But like that's all we had to say about. That's all we had to say. I hope you guys enjoyed all the reacts we did to our audio episodes and to our video episodes and whatnot. And I really hope this was as emotional of an experience for you guys as it was for us, because I mean it's been a year, we've changed a lot. So yeah, thank you for listening to Privilege Check podcast. If you like this episode, then please leave a review on Apple Podcasts or wherever you get your podcasts from.
So don't forget to follow us on our socials. That's Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. That's at Privilege Check. That's PRIVILEGECHK. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's again Privilege Check. And here's to an enlightened life.